This is Sony Xperia XA2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can activate the keyboard clipboard on this device. So to start, you will need to get to the keyboard settings page through either settings or directly from the keyboard toolbar like that. Once you've made it to the SwiftKey settings page, enter the typing section, then open the clipboard and make sure to toggle on the remembered copied items switch. And well, that'll be it. So now if you would like to access your clipboard, just open the keyboard, find the clipboard icon and tap on it like that. And this section or page will contain all copied items that you have copied yourself. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.